Hey everybody, thank you so much for clicking on my video to watch. For today's video, I am showing you this drugstore glam look. Oh my gosh, did I ever rush through this video? It was intense. I have to leave in literally 5 minutes, so it wasn't meant to be a how to get glam fast video, but it sure did turn into that. So hopefully it's not too chaotic. You still enjoy it. So before we hop on into it, please don't forget to subscribe. Click that little bell beside the subscribe button. That way you guys get notified every time I upload a new video. Also be sure to like this video if you enjoy it and you want to see more drugstore related videos. And if you'd like to know how I got this look, then please just keep watching. Hi friends. So I had like 45 minutes to film this video, which is actually not a lot of time to film. So here I am brushing. I already did my eyebrows. I used the CoverGirl eyebrow pencil in the shade Rich Brown. Yeah, I'm basically gonna do a glam using just drugstore makeup. Let's see how it turns out since I'm in a rush. Maybe I'll perform better under pressure, but we'll see. I'm gonna calm down. I got some new makeup from THBD yesterday, so I'm gonna use some of it today. I'm really excited. But first I'm gonna prime. I'm gonna use my CoverGirl skin primer in the shade Illuminating. I mean, not the shade, you know what I mean. Just give my skin a little bit of a glow. Okay, so I got the newest Maybelline foundation. I'm really excited to try it. It is the Dream Urban Cover foundation. I think it's their newest one. It says it's new and it's the latest one I've seen. And I also got a sponge from e.l.f. This is the Total Face Sponge and I'm really excited to use it. It kind of looks like that Juno one, the blue one that everybody uses. I've never seen it in real life, so I don't actually know, but it looks cool. So I'm going to dampen it really quick. I'm just going to put some of it directly onto the sponge. I got the shade 120 because that's the shade I always get in Maybelline foundations. See how it applies. Oh, I feel like I can tell I'm going to like it already. Oh, it gives a lot of coverage. I'm going a long way with this foundation. I don't like the smell of this sponge. It smells weird. The foundation looks really pretty. I don't know if it's supposed to be matte, dewy. It doesn't even say. It just says full coverage. Definitely full coverage, but I would say it's a dewy finish. Unless it will dry matte, but so far it's looking more on the dewy side. It's really weird that it doesn't say. Okay, I really like how that foundation looks, and the sponge was really nice to use. It like doubled in size when I dampened it. I'm gonna put on some cream contour. I'm using the CoverGirl Undercover Concealer in the shade T300. I normally use this for my contour. I've been loving it. So I'm just gonna pop it in all the places I normally do. Hopefully the new products I'm trying out wear well because I have no time to take it off before I leave. I'm gonna have to wear it for the rest of the day. So wish me luck. Let's move on to the eyes really quick. I'm gonna use my Catrice Camouflage Concealer to prime them. Okay, I think I'm gonna use this eyeshadow palette. It's from Catrice. It's the Iman collab. And I'm first gonna take this shade right here and just set down on the concealer. Catrice makes some of the best drugstore makeup of all time, and they are so affordable. Like a lot of the drugstore brands really raised up their prices, but Catrice still one of the affordable ones. Okay. I'm like really stressed out right now. I've got half an hour. I can do this. I'm gonna take this shade called Sunset. It's the light brown in the palette. This is gonna be my crease shade. Okay, now I'm gonna grab the shade Runyon right here. It's like the warm, rich, ruddy brown. And I'm just gonna pop this into my outer corner and then my inner corner. Let's put some shimmer up on my lid. I don't know what I'm saying. I take the shade Laguna right here and I'm just gonna pop this onto my lid. For the mascara, I'm putting on the ColourPop BFF mascara. It's really good. It makes your lashes look really good on their own, but since we're doing glam, I have to put on some falsies. So I'm gonna pop on the Ardell Wispies. Okay, lashes are on. I also put some eyeliner on. It's not drugstore, so I wasn't gonna use any eyeliner, but I really needed to, so sorry. Now, time for some concealer. I'm gonna put on a little bit of this L'Oreal Infallible concealer. It's in the shade Porcelain. I've said it before, this one's way too light for me, but I like a little bit, just so it gives me that highlighted effect. Then, for the rest of my face, I will use the Catrice Liquid Camouflage. This is the new powder I got. I've been wanting to try it forever, and this was the last one they had in store. So it is from Makeup Revolution. It's the Luxury Baking Powder, and I got it in the shade Banana. So I'm going to use this to bake today. Since I'm done using this sponge, I'm going to also use it to bake, because why not? For me rushing right now, I actually am really liking how my makeup's turning out. Back to baking, I'm gonna do my bronzer. I'm throwing it back with this one. I'm gonna use the Rimmel London Natural Bronzer. This one is in the shade Sun Bronze. Really nice, warm, red undertone bronzer. So it's gonna go perfect with the eyes. And I'm gonna wipe off the powder. It's actually a really nice powder. It brightens, but it's not too white. Well, obviously it's a yellow powder, but still. I finished off my lower lash line with the same two matte shades I used for my eyes. And now I'm going to go into the Catrice Iman blush palette. I'm going to use all three palettes. There's also a highlighter one I'll use after. And I'm going to mix these two shades right here. Now going into the highlighter palette, I am going to take the shade called Surrey right here. It's my favorite one in the palette. I'm just going to use that to highlight. I'm also going to put it into the inner corners of my eyes so they can have an extra little something there. Now it's just time for some lips. I bought this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Canes, I think. Yeah. Oh, is it too rosy? I'm gonna put on a little bit of Lolita lip liner from NYX. See if I can do something with this lip shade. Like it goes, but it's not really what I wanted. Okay guys, well that is it for the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. This is the completed look. And I've got 5 minutes to spare, so wow, I really did it. Very proud of myself. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave, like this video if you did enjoy it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!